Hello and welcome to Co-Learning Lounge presents IPL Fantasy Team of the Day. I'm your host Nitali Agarwal and we are here to pick a fantasy 11 players along with their four alternatives for 22nd game of this IPL season between Kings 11 Punjab and Sunrisers Hyderabad. So here our first set of players are batsmen DA Warner, MK Pandey, KS Williamson, MA Agarwal and M Singh. So for DA Warner, not batting at his best. So that's the reason that he is definitely in a fantasy 15, but misses out spot in fantasy 11. MK Pandey and Kane Williamson, MA Agarwal, these players have been performing consistently, so their stats are quite good. And as per stats, we are going to consider them in our fantasy 15 as well as fantasy 11. Coming to M Singh, if openers collapse, then he has to fire, and he's quite good at that. So that's the reason that we are picking up M Singh. Moving to the next set of players, we have our bowlers. Rashid Khan, S. Sharma, B. Kumar, R. Vishnoi, M. Shami, and T. Natarajan. So Rashid Khan picks himself up. I don't need to give a specific reason why we are picking up Rashid Khan. Sandeep Sharma, he can be picked up in place of Natarajan, just dropped because he hasn't been picking wickets consistently. So that's the reason that we are dropping Sandeep Sharma. He is making to a fantasy 11, fantasy 15, but not to a fantasy 11. Then we have Bhuvneshwar Kumar, has not been at his best in this tournament yet, but still, as his career stats say, we can't seclude him from our at least fantasy 15. So fantasy 11 spot, definitely he is missing out. Then we have Ravi Vishnoi and Mohammad Shami, both pick themselves up because they have been consistent in their performance. We have T. Natarajan, consistent in the death, might pick wickets when batsmen look to score quickly. So that's the reason we are picking T. Natarajan also. Moving towards our keepers. For keepers, we have options as N. Pooran, KL Rahul, and JM Bairstow. So N. Pooran, dropped due to credits, can be picked in place of any bowler. He is good with fielding also. So if he is not keeping, at least with batting, fielding, both he is good. So you can definitely go out and consider him in place of any bowler. Considering KL Rahul and JM Bairstow making to a fantasy 11. So KL Rahul has been quite consistent with the bat and is a good keeper also. So he is one of the pick for today. JM Bairstow not batting at his best, but gives you keeping points. And last match he did well on batting side also. So we are picking up JM Bairstow as well. All-rounder, we have one all-rounder only today, Abhishek Sharma, the only consistent all-rounder of SRH. So definitely he is one of the picks for the day. So quickly revising whosoever are the picks for the day. On batsman side, we have MK Pandey, Kane Williamson, MA Agarwal, and M Singh. Bowler, we have Rashid Khan, Ravi Bishnoi, Mohammad Shami, and T. Natarajan. For keeper, we have picked KL Rahul and JM Bairstow, and all-rounder, we have Abhishek Sharma. Along with that, you have alternatives as DA Warner on batsman stuff, and bowlers, you have Sandeep Sharma and Bhuvneshwar Kumar. For keeper, you have N. Pooran. So these are our picks for the day. So guys, along with that, do join our WhatsApp and Telegram group so that if there are any changes, please, we will update over there between 7 p.m. to 7:20 p.m. post toss. That's one thing. And the second thing is that we are available online for next 20 minutes from here after. If you have any confusion in selecting the team, or you have any feedback or suggestions, you want to know why we picked up any specific player, do let us know. We would be happy to reply to any of your questions. So these are the things, and thank you all for your subscription. Whosoever has subscribed to our YouTube channel, who has not subscribed, do it right away for your all suggestions, feedbacks, and support that you have been providing to Co-Learning Lounge. So now we have in store pro tip of the day. Definitely that's always considered to be the best part of this. But as we always promise, this tip is quite different from the others one. So you might this might seem funny, but this IPL season, I think so you will agree with me that all Rahuls have been doing well, whether it's KL Rahul or Rahul Tewatia, Rahul Tripathi, Rahul Chahar, whosoever, all Rahuls have been doing quite well. So consider taking Rahuls in your team if they are playing. Even we heard yesterday King Khan also shout, Rahul, naam to suna hi hoga, while Rahul Tripathi was collecting his man of the match trophy. So guys, do consider any of the Rahuls who are playing. You have their stats also by now. You know how consistent they have been. So that's it from our side for today. Thank you all, and do let us know in the comment section if you have any feedback or suggestions. We'll meet again tomorrow. Till then, bye bye and take care.